Alright, what's gonna be the beginning of the vlog?
Hey, what's up guys? And welcome to the vlog. And we have a bus right now.
How we doing, everyone? My name is Hero and welcome back to another vlog. Now, we're here at what's this place called again? The Caesar's Creek. Caesar's Creek, yeah, that's what it's called. I'm vlogging with a brand new camera and my boy here, Davis, and those guys over there.
Yeah, he's playing with the football right now, so.
Oh yeah.
I'm in the intro this time.
Yeah, he's in the intro.
Finally.
Yeah, so enjoy the clips of the bus ride over to here.
We made it, guys.
We made it. It was a long drive. It was a very long drive.
You're from Diamond Oaks? Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah,
I mean, I did, so.
Diamond Oaks. You're all from
we're all from Diamond. You don't mind if I record, right? Oh, okay, cool.
Just,
Yeah, it's just a little vlog for YouTube. Yeah. So, yeah. It's a vlog on my channel, just everyday life type stuff, basically.
Is it on YouTube?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
Yeah. So. Oh, why am I vlogging? Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Hey, John.
Yeah. Joseph, nice to meet you.
I'm Ollie.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hi, Mary.
Connor. I'm Connor.
Hey, Connor.
Remind me of your name again?
Ethan.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
What is this movie? Come on. Are you on the other side? What's up?
Dope.
No, this is actually really cool. Over here. This is glass. This is glass. This is glass. I didn't realize that was glass.
Oh, that's hard too.
What is this? What? Oh, look, there's like fish and stuff like that in here. Yeah, that's actually really cool.
Look, we got in fine. There's 4 animals that don't belong.
Look, we got like phones. Group listening.
Hello.
It's not even working. You're like, sup, man? Oh, his works?
Yeah,
His work?
works.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, my battery's dying, So.
Sorry, we'll give it to you.
I don't know.
Video for the camera.
I don't know, but like because my battery's dying. That's why.
RIP to the battery.
Yeah, because my battery's dying. Whoa! Cool! Look! Like there's like bubbles up here. Cool. Turtles? Yes, turtles! Hello? Oh, really? So, how are you?
Good, how are you, man?
I'm good.
Yeah. Cold out here though.
Oh my gosh, that took a lot out of me.
Yeah, because he's doing some backflips and stuff. So.
Mercedes!
Thank you for watching the vlog.
Huh?
Have a good day.
Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe.
And do you do shout outs though?
Just do it.
Boom, 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 whatever. Remember those vlogs.
No, it's just you. You're the shout out. You're the shout out.
Subscribe me down below. I do my vlogging channel. I would do it, but I'll put a link in the description. Videos right now, so
I'll put a link in the description.
you can put it in the link in the description.
Yeah.
And make sure you subscribe, guys.
Also up here. It's also up there. See you guys next time. Goodbye.